suitcase protection, hidden money, a transforming jacket, and other tricks to make your vacation easier. Learn fun and useful life hacks for traveling in our new video. This is a young married couple, and this is their first trip together. We need to cover our suitcase with plastic wrap so nothing gets lost. There you go, darling. After half an hour, it's all done. Great! Are you checking your leg too? So much for genius! Thank goodness we don't have problems like that, because we use a simple life hack. We make a case from a regular t-shirt. Pull a big t-shirt onto your suitcase. Tuck the sleeves inside and pass the handle of the suitcase through the neckline. Sometimes the simplest ideas are actually the best. Hey, I want that too! Don't use the shirt off your back, genius! Hello! Traveling is so exciting. Conversations can take your breath away, and you might not even notice that a thief already stole your purse. Pads! I'd rather give this back to the owner. Use 2 pads to hide your phone. Miss, you dropped your bag. Thanks a lot. It's great that the pickpocket didn't figure out that the pads are just an anti-theft phone case. Did your umbrella get broken? You have a raincoat! Whoops! It turns out there's a hole the size of a puddle in it. But we can try out an easy hack. Cut the hood off a torn raincoat. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to the collar of a denim jacket. And fasten the hood to it. A jacket with a hood? Why not? It's handy and practical. Now rain won't catch me off guard when I'm traveling. Boarding will be starting soon. Time to take some travel sickness pills so I can have a smooth flight. But my hands aren't listening to me. Whoops! Wow, it's obvious that some tourists don't know about my brilliant life hack. Attach a pill organizer to a plastic bottle. Group the pills by days. Pour water into the bottle. Pills and a water bottle make a perfect match. Now they'll be together forever. This is a useful and practical life hack for experienced travelers. These laces are such a pain. Do them up and then untie them. It's a waste of time. These sneakers are really getting on my nerves. Don't worry about it. Know how to make your life easier. Take regular shoelaces out of your shoes and put in elastic cords of a matching shade. Tie knots on both sides. Elastic cords instead of shoelaces? Put your shoes on without any worries. Did you come from a hot country? But the weather can change in a flash when you travel. Thank goodness I have my backpack that transforms into a coat. Turn your jacket inside out. Tie a rubber band around the neckline. Turn the jacket right side out. Attach side release buckles to webbing ribbons. Glue the straps to the sleeves and the bottom of the jacket. This way the sleeves turn into backpack straps. Pull the bottom of the jacket. A backpack quickly turns into a jacket. I'm ready to explore the city, and no cold weather can scare me. An airport is a very busy place. It's no surprise that there are a lot of pickpockets here. But we are not scared of them. Let's keep our suitcase secure. With cable ties. Connect the pull tabs on the suitcase with a cable tie. Pull it tighter. This is some serious travel protection. Ladies, please help! My stuff was stolen! Have you seen this man? There he is! There is no point trying to distract your victims, honey! You are not getting anything anyway. The cable tie is keeping our zippers safe. This suitcase is way out of your league, you thief! Mission impossible! Let's get out of here! I have the smartest digital suitcase! It's so independent that it chose a new owner on its own! Look! It likes you! What's going on? Is someone else's suitcase chasing me? Is it magic? It's not magic, it's just a regular prank. I attached a remote control car underneath the suitcase, and now I can control it from far away. We are getting ready for a trip. We only have one suitcase for 2 of us, and we need to fit in all these dresses, jeans, and heels. This toothpaste won't fit anywhere. What a big issue! Keep calm. I know a shrinking life hack. Squeeze toothpaste towards the cap. Cut off the excess. Clean the paste off the cut. Wrap it in parchment paper and seal it with a flat iron. Toothpaste for traveling. Did you just use a shrinking spell? This toothpaste easily fits into a makeup bag. Thanks for this life hack. Do you have an open razor in your suitcase? That can be dangerous for your fingers. There's a life hack for situations like this. Attach a binder clip to the blade of a razor. Put a binder clip on a razor and feel safe. Your razor can't hurt you from inside your suitcase. Our stuff is packed, and we can even close the suitcase without putting in a lot of effort. It's a miracle. Wait a minute, now we see why it was so easy. Because we forgot a ton of clothes. But we can use this practical life hack. Turn a t-shirt inside out, bundle up the bottom of the t-shirt, and tie a rubber band around it. Turn the t-shirt right side out. Put a belt into the sleeves and fasten it. Now it's a bag. Our t-shirt quickly turned into a useful bag. All the stuff we forgot will fit into it. Or anything that we buy. Let's go have some adventures. Hang on, your money is sticking out of your pocket. You are going to attract pickpockets. Use my secret pocket. Cut a strip of beige felt. Fold it in half. Trim the edge. Unfold it and glue a little pocket. Hot glue on some Velcro so that the pocket will close. Put money into the pocket. Your money is safe. Just attach the pocket to your bra strap. A pickpocket won't reach for this for sure, so our finances are secure. Hurry up! We'll be late to the sightseeing tour. I don't want to go. My hair is dirty, and washing it takes a lot of time. I'd rather stay here. Hang on, I have a product that will help you. This is handmade dry shampoo. Mix a spoon of cornstarch with a 1/4 spoon of baking soda and a 1/4 spoon of cocoa powder. Put the mixture into a little container and press it down. Apply the dry shampoo onto a brush and put it onto the roots of your hair. Spread it with your fingers by massaging it in and brush it through. Now your hair looks fresh. Which chain should I wear? Red straws or white straws? Put thin chains and bracelets into straws. Fasten the accessories on the outside. Straws are a great case for thin accessories. My jewelry won't get tangled in the bag, and I won't have any trouble untangling the knots. Did you like our traveling life hacks? Then comment below which ones you'd use. Would you make a transforming jacket, a bag out of a t-shirt, a remote control suitcase, or a place to hide your money? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom.